Wentzville has been making some serious noise lately when it comes to growth. Jobs are up, new businesses are coming in, and entire industries are transforming the local economy. As Clara Josti from Onsite Computer Consulting Services Inc. put it, Wentzville's business climate is evolving faster than many realize. Companies are embracing new industries and local talent is gearing up to support them. So what's driving all this momentum? First, advanced manufacturing is huge here, with companies like GM and Piston Automotive investing heavily in automation, engineering, and new technologies. Wentzville is quickly becoming a hub for technical and robotics-focused roles. Technology and IT services are also picking up speed. As more businesses modernize, they need help with cloud systems, cybersecurity, automation support, you name it. And the Workforce Innovation Center is helping prepare people for tech careers that match what local companies actually need. Then there's logistics and distribution. Thanks to Wentzville's location near major highways in St. Louis, it's a natural fit for fulfillment centers and supply chain operations. And one more interesting shift. Wentzville is leaning into sustainability. The community and local programs are helping businesses adopt greener practices, and that opens the door to opportunities in solar, energy efficiency, and environmentally friendly products and services. All these growing industries mean real opportunity, but they also mean businesses need to stay sharp, especially when it comes to technology. If you want to learn more, check out the full article on our website, and don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist for easy access anytime.